Are you looking for the best RC boats? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best RC boats on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. BEZGAR RC Boat. High-speed RC boat for lakes, thrilling 3-speed mode fun for all ages. Experience the adrenaline rush of big, fast RC boats with this 16-inch remote control speedboat, perfect for both kids and adults. With 3 speed modes and a maximum speed of 30 kph, this RC boat delivers non-stop excitement on the water. Long-range control and smart alerts, navigate up to 320 feet with confidence. The low battery warning ensures you never lose control, keeping your lake adventures worry-free for up to 15 minutes of playtime per charge. Durable and waterproof design, built with double-layer waterproof protection, this large RC speedboat resists splashes while its dual high-speed motors stay cool for long-lasting performance. LED lights and one-click flip feature, enhance your nighttime boating with built-in LED lights and effortlessly recover from flips with one-click control. 2.4 GHz radio system for superior control. Enjoy interference-free racing, whether you're an RC boat enthusiast or looking for an exciting toy boat for kids and adults. Perfect for those searching for a lanchas de control remoto para adultos that deliver speed, power, and control. Number 2. VOLANTEXRC Remote Control Boats. VOLANTEXRC Atomic XS, high-speed RC boat for thrilling races. Blazing fast racing action, the VOLANTEXRC Atomic XS remote control speedboat reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it perfect for exciting races on lakes, pools, and rivers. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote controller, it offers a 120-meter signal range for precise, long-distance control. 2.4 GHz multi-boat racing, enjoy interference-free racing as multiple RC boats compete simultaneously. This fast RC boat is ideal for kids aged 8 to 12 and adults alike. Plus, it includes 2 rechargeable batteries, extending your playtime for even more fun. Durable and waterproof design, built for adventure, this waterproof RC racing boat features a strong, crack-resistant structure. The anti-flip hull design and reverse functional ESC ensure you stay in control, even in tricky water conditions. Long-lasting playtime, powered by 2 upgraded rechargeable lithium-ion batteries, this RC boat for kids and adults delivers up to 20 minutes of continuous play per charge, with durable batteries built for multiple recharge cycles. The perfect gift for all ages, whether for birthdays, Christmas, or special occasions. The Atomic XS RC boat is an exciting gift for kids 8 to 12 and adults. Get ready for high-speed thrills and unforgettable water adventures. Number 3. Force 1 Velocity Pro LED RC Boat. Force 1 Velocity Pro, high-speed LED RC boat with underwater driving. Thrilling high-speed RC boat, the Force 1 Velocity Pro is an exciting remote-controlled boat for kids and adults, racing across pools, lakes, and freshwater rivers with bright LED lights and a translucent shell for an electrifying visual experience. Features include underwater diving and driving for thrilling aquatic adventures. Capsize recovery mode to automatically flip upright if overturned. Low battery and out-of-range alerts to keep control at all times. Dive below and explore the depths. Unlike standard RC boats, the Velocity Pro lets you drive underwater, offering an entirely new dimension of fun. Glide, dive, and discover the water like never before. Advanced 2.4 GHz remote control, the smart LCD controller provides real-time data, including signal strength, battery level, trim adjustments, and throttle mode. With a 328-foot range, an emergency stop function, and a low signal warning, you'll always stay in command. Rechargeable and ready for action, includes 2 3.7V 800 mAh lithium-ion batteries, delivering up to 12 minutes of play per charge, 120-minute charge time. Comes with a USB charger, spanner, boat stand, and remote control, requires 3 XAA batteries, not included. Durable and safe for freshwater fun, built for pools, lakes, and rivers, this sturdy RC boat is designed for smooth performance in low-debris freshwater environments. Not for saltwater use. Perfect gift for all ages, featuring user-friendly controls, safety features, and an exhilarating speed, the Velocity Pro makes a fantastic gift for kids 8+ and adults alike, ensuring hours of fast-paced RC boating fun. Number 4. 3-Pack RC Boat. 3-Pack high-speed RC boats, exciting racing fun for kids and adults. Triple the fun, this 3-pack remote control boat set comes with everything you need for thrilling races on the water. Each set includes 3 RC boats, 3 remote controllers, 6 rechargeable batteries, 3 pre-installed, 3 USB charging cables, 3 user manuals, and 3 screwdrivers, perfect for family fun or group play. Note, the boats must be in water to operate. High-speed racing action. These fast RC boats reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour, making them perfect for lakes, pools, and rivers. Equipped with a 4-channel 2.4 GHz remote, they provide a 40 to 50 meter signal range and allow multiple boats to race without interference. The water detection engine ensures safety by only activating in water, prolonging motor life. Extended playtime. Each boat is powered by a 3.7V 650 mAh rechargeable battery, offering 15 to 20 minutes of racing fun on a 1.5-hour charge. The remote control requires 2x 1.5 VAA batteries, not included. Easy to control and kid-friendly, designed for beginners, these high-speed RC boats feature simple controls that allow kids to steer left, right, and forward with ease. The ergonomic remote fits comfortably in small hands for an enjoyable experience. Perfect gift for all ages, whether for birthdays, Christmas, or New Year, these durable ABS plastic RC boats make an exciting and safe gift for boys and girls. Get ready for non-stop racing thrills on the water. Number 5. RC Boat for Kids. Light up RC boats, 2-pack remote control racing boats for nighttime fun. Gorgeous light-up RC boats. These transparent shell RC boats feature 10 colorful LED bulbs in each boat, creating a stunning light display at night. The bright LED lights make it easy to track their location, letting you race in the dark with confidence. Dual boats for family and friends racing. With 2.4 GHz remote technology, the blue and orange boats can race at the same time without interference. Parents can challenge their kids, and friends can compete for the win. Perfect for adults and kids to enjoy together. Extended playtime with low battery alert. Each rechargeable battery delivers up to 20 minutes of playtime. The controller beeps when the battery is low, so you'll always know when it's time to bring the boat back before it runs out of power. Beginner-friendly remote control. Simple 2-button controls make it easy for kids, 8 to 12, and adults to maneuver. Forward/backward movement. Right/left turning. 12+ km/h medium speed for better control and quick reactions. Waterproof and durable design. Pre-treated waterproof motors and circuit board ensure reliable performance, even if water splashes inside. Just dry the boat after use for long-lasting fun. Great for pools, lakes and rivers. With a 164-foot control range, these boats are perfect for pools, lakes, and calm rivers. Take them anywhere and enjoy thrilling RC races on the water. Perfect gift for all ages, a fun and exciting gift for kids and adults. Whether for Christmas, birthdays, Father's Day, or any special occasion, these light-up RC boats bring joy, relaxation, and exciting racing fun for everyone.